Hello, dear viewers. This is Battle Axe Wheel Alignment Technology. In this video, we are demonstrating our new function of real-time responding chassis repair. As you can see, we are adjusting the toe angles. The reading changes when we are working on toes. At the same time, the tire images rotates on the interface, and it turns from red to black if we adjusted it into correct position. We designed this function not only for repair technicians but also more for the drivers, who are our customers, can see what the workshop technician is doing in an easy way. He or she would trust the workshop much more, and it is very likely he or she will come back for more service. Of course, this function only can be realized on the basis of Battle Axe excellent repeatable accuracy, for which we have achieved world-leading level. Thanks for watching. For more wheel alignment information, please subscribe our channel and visit www.battleaxetech.com.